blizzard I've actually seen here in Lawrence. I've been here for too long, 12 years. This is after only about 4 or 5 hours of snow. We get a snowdrift that is that huge. I'll demonstrate it by walking into it.
Don't see snowplows very often. Holly, Texas, which is about 15 miles north of Abilene, Texas, in north central Texas. We're in the middle of a snowstorm. You can see the snow blowing. We don't get this kind of stuff in Texas, especially at Christmas time.
Hey CNN, it's me, Austin Harrison. This is my first iReport on the blizzard in Oklahoma. If you can make it out, I'm taking this video with my iPhone. It's pretty bad. Our entire parking lot is covered with snow. That black car right there, the hatchback, yeah, that's mine. I got stuck. So it's looking pretty bad out here.